जया बच्चन ने हाल ही में अक्षय कुमार की फिल्म टॉयलेट एक प्रेम कथा की आलोचना की थी। वही अब खिलाड़ी कुमार ने इसका जवाब दे दिया है। दरअसल इन दिनों अक्षय कुमार अपनी फिल्म केसरी 2 के प्रमोशन में जोरों शोरों से जुटे हुए हैं। इस दौरान किसी एक इवेंट में जब अक्षय कुमार से पूछा गया कि आपने कई सारी फिल्में बनाई हैं जो सोशल मैसेज देती हैं, इन फिल्मों को लेकिन कई लोगों ने क्रिटिसाइज किया है, लेकिन आप फिर भी काम करते रहे। तो इस पर अक्षय कुमार ने कहा कि मुझे नहीं लगता किसी ने इसे क्रिटिसाइज किया है। कोई बेवकूफी होगा जो पैडमैन, टॉयलेट, केसरी, एयरलिफ्ट जैसी फिल्मों को क्रिटिसाइज करेगा। आप ही बता दीजिए। मैंने अपने दिल से ये सारी फिल्में बनाई हैं जो लोगों को बहुत कुछ सिखाती हैं और समझाती भी हैं। तो इसके बाद अक्षय कुमार को बताया गया कि जया बच्चन ने हाल ही में टॉयलेट एक प्रेम कथा की आलोचना की है और कहा है कि वो इस फिल्म को कभी नहीं देखेंगी। इस पर अक्षय ने कहा कि अब अगर उन्होंने कहा है तो सही कहा होगा, मुझे इसके बारे में कुछ नहीं पता। अगर टॉयलेट एक प्रेम कथा ऐसी फिल्म बनाकर मैंने कोई गलती की है तो अगर वो कह रही हैं तो सही कह रही होंगी। तो चलिए हम आपको दिखाते हैं अक्षय कुमार का ये वायरल वीडियो।
मेरा क्वेश्चन आप दोनों से, सबसे पहले अक्षय सर मैं आपसे पूछना चाहूंगी, आज की सोशल मीडिया जनरेशन और उस समय की जो युवा पीढ़ी है, दोनों में आपको क्या फर्क लगता है जब बात देशभक्ति की आती है?
सॉरी, वापस बोलना, क्या कह रहे हैं?
इस समय की जो सोशल मीडिया जनरेशन है, फॉर एग्जांपल हम जिसे जेनजी जनरेशन कहते हैं, और उस समय की जो युवा पीढ़ी थी, आपको इन दोनों में क्या फर्क लगता है जब बात देशभक्ति की आती है?
उस वक्त जो जितना, बिकॉज जैसे अनन्या ने कहा कि फ्रीडम, उसका वैल्यू उन्हें ज्यादा थी, हमें इतनी नहीं है। आहिस्ते आहिस्ते वो चीज बढ़ रही है इस युवा के अंदर, इस पीढ़ी के अंदर बढ़ रही है। जैसे जैसे मैं देखता हूं, कभी कभी मेरे सोशल मीडिया के फीड पे बहुत सारी ऐसी चीजें आ जाती हैं जो देशभक्ति के काफी चीजें दिखती हैं। लेकिन उस वक्त जो था, उस वक्त इफ आई वुड से 10 आउट ऑफ 10 था। लोग जो जितनी परसेंटेज लोगों के अंदर वो था कि हमें किसी भी हालत में, हमें कैसे भी करके फ्रीडम हासिल करनी है। तो उस टाइम वैल्यू फ्रीडम की बहुत थी। अब आहिस्ते आहिस्ते बढ़ती जा रही है। लोग समझना चाहते हैं, देखना चाहते हैं कि क्या हो रहा है, कैसे हो रहा है। That's it.
अगर आपको लगता है कि जनरल डायर जैसा फिर से कोई अन्याय अगर हो तो आजकल की युवा पीढ़ी उसका प्रतिरोध कर पाएगी जैसे पहले किया गया था?
उससे भी बुरा करेगी। वो तो वहां था, उस वक्त तो फिर भी हमारे हाथ में कुछ नहीं था। इस वक्त तो हमारे साथ सामने, और हमारे देश के कोर्ट्स हैं, पुलिस हैं, आर्मी है, तो वो जो वो करेगी हालत, वो देखने लायक भी नहीं होगा।
थैंक यू सर।
हाय अक्षय सर।
अपूर्वा सर, मेरा क्वेश्चन आपसे भी है दूसरा। आफ्टर ब्लॉकबस्टर्स लाइक केसरी, गुड न्यूज, आप फिर से अक्षय सर के साथ आ रहे हैं, तो ऐसी कौन सी बात है, कौन सी चीज है जो आपको अक्षय सर तक खींचकर ही ला देती है?
आप सेल्फी भूल गए।
सर सेल्फी।
1 out of 3 is not bad. So I think over the years you've really built a very strong working relationship with Akshay sir, you know, because of based on trust and a creative alignment. I think anybody who knows Akshay sir and anybody who's worked with him will echo that, you know, he's extremely professional, hardworking, he's a very creatively involved actor, and he makes the entire shoot such a pleasurable experience. He is as an individual and as an actor, he is so connected with all demographics, with all age groups, and very honestly spoken, you know, Kesari 2 has only been possible with Akshay. So thank you, sir, and we hope to do many more Kesaris with him and many more other films also with him.
Hi Akshay sir, over here towards your left. Sir, over here, left, extreme left. Yeah. Sir, how are you, sir?
Hi Himesh, how are you?
Sir, my question to you is, when we speak of apology, recently Mr. Bob Blackman, I think, has appealed to the British government to apologize for the Jallianwala Bagh massacre. How do you view the fact that people are finally waking up after over 100 years to this incident? And of course, I know British deserves to apologize to India. So what do you have to say about that?
I think lots of things will change. I'm not here with a begging bowl to say they should say sorry. But I want them to at least watch this movie and realize the mistake. Baki, the next other things will flow automatically from their mouth. Because it is bound, the apology is bound to happen. It will flow on its own. But I just want them to watch this film. That is what. I want the British government to watch the film. I want King Charles to watch the film. Then they should see it, what happened. I'm not saying, but the rest will follow automatically.
Let's hope the film leaves an impact. And Karan sir, my question to you is, how do you plan, what are your plans for release of Kesari? Because, you know, films like this require a specific release strategy. So what's your strategy for bringing Kesari on the big screen?
I think that this is actually the beginning of our distribution arm, as Dharma Distribution's first Hindi film will start. And I think that there can't be a better beginning. Of course, we realize we're cognizant of the times and we know. But you know, I have a feeling that when a film is this powerful and has this kind of intensity and this kind of communication to our audience, we keep putting films into boxes. ये multiplex की film है, ये single film की picture है, ये tier 1 की film है, tier 2. हम सब सोचते हैं कि हम सब समझते हैं और हम सब जानते हैं. Analysts बहुत हैं, communicate करने वाले बहुत हैं, social media में सबकी opinions हैं, and I respect them all because it's a democratic nation. But I want to say, किसी को कुछ पता नहीं कि उस Friday पे क्या होगा. Only an audience will decide. Audience ही राजा और audience ही मालिक और audience ही सब कुछ. तो हम जितने भी strategy बना ले, वो Friday सब कुछ बदल सकता है. And I'm quite sure ये Friday सब कुछ बदलेगा.
Hello. On this side. Hello, hi. This is Amar from Amara. Karan, the director Karan. And I have one more question. So my question is, this film is, we have heard that the film is based on a book. So can you tell us more about it? And my second question is to Akshay sir and Karan sir. The film has also got an A certificate. What are your views on the same?
So yes, the film is based upon a book called The Case That Shook the Empire, which is written by the great-grandchildren of Shankaran Nair. And the book chronicles the courtroom battle. Everyone knows about the massacre, but people don't know that the empire went on an overdrive to build a narrative that the people at Jallianwala Bagh were armed and that they were terrorists. So the courtroom case debunks this whole narrative and holds the empire to account. So it is based on a book. The book has been beautifully written, which chronicles exactly beat by beat what happened in that courtroom case. And we are very lucky that we have this book with us. And it gave us a lot of research. It gave us a lot of right emotions behind it. And yes, and I hope we have done a wonderful adaptation of the book, which I'm hoping the audiences will like. Thank you.
And the second part of the question. The film has gotten an A certificate. What are your views on the same?
आपको कैसे पता चला? आगे? UA? A. Okay. मुझे नहीं पता कि आप बाहर आ गई ये बात. I didn't know about this. But I presume there must be few things which they think it must be right, and I take their decision, and that's it. इसमें क्या बोल सकते हैं?
We absolutely respect the censor board, and I feel that they must have seen reason, and so we accepted the certificate absolutely immediately without any cuts. There were no cuts.
Akshay sir, Akshay sir, hi. Vishal here, hi. You know, Kerala BJP chief Rajiv Chandrasekhar on Wednesday criticized the Congress party for allegedly raising former party president Chatur Shankaran Nair from its history. Do you agree that Mr. Shankaran Nair hasn't received the credit he deserves? And Karan, do you think this film should now become government should declare this film as tax-free?
So the first question was with me,
Yes.
right?
Yeah.
See, I'm not a historian. I'm just an actor. What somebody is saying, what any politician is saying, I'm not going to get into that. I just made this film. I just want people to realize what happened, what according to the book we made it, whatever I understood, whatever जो कहानियां मैंने अपने पापा से सुनी, अपने डैडी से सुनी, उन्होंने अपने डैडी से सुनी, उस सब चीजों का ये amalgamation है, पूरा का पूरा ये पूरा बनाया हुआ है. और इसके ऊपर मैं ये किसने क्या बोला ये political चीजों, I don't want to get into it. Karan, he wants.
Hanji. I feel, something that a film deserves will always come its way. So I believe if it has to get the tax-free status, that will only happen when people will see the deep impact and resonance of the material. The fact that it's such an honorable film, and it's such an an honorable film with such an engaging narrative that you will watch it beat by beat at the edge of your seat. So I feel eventually जब होगा जो होगा वो फिल्म की नसीब में होगा और फिल्म की नसीब तब चमकेगी जब सबको फिल्म अच्छी लगेगी. तो उसके बाद अगर हमें टैक्स फ्री स्टेटस मिल जाए तो सर आंखों पर. But I feel like a film should get what it deserves, and I hope and pray that the film does.
Hello everyone, to your left. Right, sorry, sorry. This is Pallavi from Pop Diaries, and my question is for Ananya. Ananya, you have been receiving massive praise for your recent roles, and now we see you in a very different light. So how has your journey been through Kesari? Like, it's completely very different from what you've done earlier. So how has your journey been with Kesari, and how did you do the role, and what was your perceptions about it?
So it's been a long journey. It's fair to say that.
When did I told you about the film
In
2021?
Yeah. So it's been a long time since we've been making this film, and my journey has been very special. Honestly, when they came to me with this film and Karan spoke to me about this film, I couldn't imagine myself in the film. I was like, okay, how am I going to do this? It's going to be a big challenge. I've done a certain kind of role before, and I was really ready and excited actually to take on that challenge. And honestly, I'm a big learner. I was a very keen student in school, so I was excited to be a part of something that is a part of history that we've, as I said before, we've heard about, but we've not properly understood. So actually, to sum it all up, even though it's been a long journey, and I learned Punjabi for the film, and I got to work with Akshay sir,